All right, good morning. Happy Friday, boys and girls. It is May 1st. Cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Let's get right to it. I know you guys don't like long videos. So today you are wrapping up your international organization slides and note catcher. You should have the top three-ish portions filled out. Today you're looking at the United Nations and answering some questions and the Red Cross or Red Crescent. You will find that information because you looked at all this different information about NGOs and IGOs. IGOs, of course, being intergovernmental organizations where it's officially the government of countries working together. And the NGOs are non governmental organizations, are organizations that are not connected to the government working together to solve something. Those are things like Greenpeace, Doctors Without Borders, the Red Cross, Action Africa, not tied to any government directly. They might receive federal funding from these governments, but it is not an official, uh, section of the government, if you will. So what you're doing today is looking at one NGO and one IGO. You're going to click on the blue hyperlink. Here is the international, or excuse me, intergovernmental organization of the United States. You're going to click this link and it's going to take you to a doc. You will use this information to fill out this section of your note catcher. And then you're going to do the same for the Red Cross. Open the doc. They're both just like two, maybe three paragraphs, and then fill out this information here. Make sure you turn that doc in when you're finished. But what I do want you to do is look at what we're focusing starting Tuesday. Tuesday through Friday, you are building a presentation about an NGO or an IGO. I haven't yet pushed out the requirements or the, oh, what's the word? Like organization or outline of what it's going to look like. I can do that on Monday, but or Tuesday. I want you to start looking at some of these different organizations and which one interests you the most. And that's the one I want you to pick for your project next week. Um, some of these have to do with poverty and world hunger. Others have to do with diseases, disease control. Some focus on helping women. We know, boys and girls, that as far as NGOs go, there are 1.5 million in the United States alone and 10 million throughout the world. I've listed like 10. Okay. So there are tons out there. Same thing with IGOs. Okay. There are several out there. You only have to pick one, not one of each, just one, either an NGO or an NGO. And I want you to start reading and learning and figuring out which one, if you were an adult or even now, which one would you be like, yeah, I want to be a part of this. I want to help save the children. I want to get involved with global funds with Africa, or excuse me, global funds for women. Okay. So that's today. I want you to start previewing and thinking about this and deciding which one you want to pick. All right. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to turn in your assignment 10 today. Have a good one. Miss you. Bye.